Hey, Oliver here from BTP. Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video, where we're passionate about making tech make sense. Today, I'll be demonstrating how you can fix this error code when setting up your Windows PC. So, let's get started. Firstly, you're going to want to log in to the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center. A link to this will be down in the description. Once you are logged in, you're going to want to look to the left-hand side menu and then select Devices. From here, you'll need to scroll down and find where it says Enrollment Device Limit Restrictions. Once you see it, click on it. Now, you need to select the imposing restriction. For the purpose of this example, I'll be using the demo restriction. You then need to click on the three dots, as I do. Then select Delete. Then, you need to confirm the deletion by clicking Yes. After the limitations have been eliminated, you should have successfully removed the source of the issue in your Windows setup step. If you'd like to learn more about this issue, please visit the Business Tech Planet website using the link in the description. We've gone over the topic in greater detail, so it's certainly worth a read. Alright, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I really hope we've been able to help you today. If you found this useful, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again, and see you next time.